YouTube, it's Queen Pam Elon QP, and I'm creating for myself some planner things. And I opened up Infinity. Is that the actual Affinity in yeah publisher? It's one of those days, and created for myself an inbox. I put my YouTube logo down there. Gave myself some relatively clear spaces for post-it notes. You can't really tell, but in the background is some of my artwork, and I'm going to laminate it. And it's going to be practically the same size as the laminating pouch. Well, not really, because it's 8.5 by 11 laser um, laser transparency. Sorry for being distracted. And there you can kind of see the design. I just wanted it to have something behind it. I'm going to do same. I'm going to put it in this piece of paper to run through my laminating pouch. My Mink machine, because I do not want it to get caught and wrap around the rollers. And I'll be back when it is done. While it's running through, I thought I would show you what I used to print on, and I printed it on an HP. So laser printer transparency film. I wished I had some inkjet so I could have done this in color, but I am content with this. All right, it is done. Let's see what it looks like. It is now laminated. And I'm going to run it through one more time because I see bubbles. And I just want to make sure that they're clear. I ran it through a second time. I kind of like to do that without the carrier sheet just to make sure it gets hot enough. And so now all I have to do is punch this, and into my Happy Planner Big it will go. And if you are unfamiliar with inboxes, it's a place to put things that come up that you have to plan for, but you could just stick it here on a post-it note real quick and deal with it later. I thought I would show you how I use the inbox. So here is a post-it note that I have. Create an inbox, task card, sticker books, add brain dump, and at night roll my hair. Wanted to add that to a task card. So, as always, I leave you in the hands of the creator. Bye.